Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am here to discuss with you chapter 6 of grade 2, that is drawing in paint. MS Paint is a computer software that is used to draw different shapes in computer, and this chapter is actually based on the different tools of MS Paint. First of all, we are going to discuss about curve tool. The curve tool is used to draw curved lines, the lines which are not straight, you can say. And there are different steps to apply this tool in MS Paint. First of all, we have to open MS Paint, click the Start button, All Programs, Accessories, and Paint. This is the main window of MS Paint software. This window is actually having different parts. At the top there is a title bar where you can say the title is written of the software Paint, and then there are two tabs, Home tab, View tab. There are different groups as well. This is the complete ribbon and different groups are available over here. The first one is Clipboard, Images, Tools, Shapes and Colors groups. The group is actually which is having the same tool. Like shape, there are different shapes in this group. Colors, there are different colors in this group. So, and this one is the drawing area where we have to draw something, to draw different shapes on the screen. Now we are actually going to move on the curve tool. In shapes group, here is a curve tool. So simply we have to click this tool, and along with tool some properties are also associated. For example, the first one is size. We can change the size of this tool, and the next one is color. We can choose different color from the color palettes, color group. हम कलर ग्रुप में से डिफरेंट कलर चूज कर सकते हैं अपने शेप को डिफरेंट कलर करने देने के लिए. फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम गोइंग टू चूज द रेड वन. And in the shape group, the next option is, the next property you can say, outline. Outline is actually related to the styling of the shape. ये शेप की स्टाइलिंग को डिफाइन करती है. Like crayon style, marker style or solid color. I'm going to choose the solid one. So next, come on the drawing area. Now you can see the mouse pointer, this one is actually changed to the plus sign. Plus sign में convert हो गया. You can see the four head of this arrow. Now simply click and drag on the drawing area. Release the mouse button. But now you can see there is a straight line on the drawing area. Why our line is not curved? जबकि हमने तो कर्व टूल को सेलेक्ट किया था, लाइन स्ट्रेट क्यों है? Now simply we have to select this line and drag like this to make it curve. That's it. These are different sizes. हम पहले भी चेंज कर सकते हैं ये ऑप्शंस को, बाद में भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. These are different styling. You can see the effects of these options on the screen. आप स्क्रीन पे इनके इफेक्ट्स को देख सकते हैं. And these are different colors. Now the next one is shapes group. Shape group actually having different already made ready-made shapes in this group, like rectangle, triangle, arrow, star, polygon, and simply we can select the shape and draw it on the screen. Now this is the closed shape, so that's why we have two color 1 and color 2 for this. The color 1 is actually for the outline of this shape, and color 2 is actually used to fill this shape by using this option, fill color. Again, these are different styling to fill this color. And these are different sizes of the boundary of this shape. Then these are, you can simply draw different shapes by changing the color. Color 1 is actually changing the boundary color, and color 2 is actually changing the inside color. Okay, the next one is polygon tool. The polygon tool is used to make a custom type with any number of sides. The polygon is actually irregular shape, say a shape with the different number of sides. I'm going to take a new page. Now I'm going to use a polygon tool. Here is a polygon tool in the shapes group. Simply click this tool and I'm going to draw a number of straight line on the screen. And at the end, I'm going to finish this polygon. That's it. It's a kind of polygon, you can say, an irregular shape. So again, this is a closed shape, and you can fill this shape as well by clicking the color 2 option like this. And there are different styling for this. Okay, the next one is eraser tool. Eraser tool is actually used to erase something, to delete something on the drawing area. For example, simply click this option in the tools group. Click the eraser, and again a size option is associated with it. We can change the size of the eraser. हम eraser का size भी change कर सकते हैं. So just I'm going to, oh sorry, what is this? Actually we have to change the color of our eraser first. हमें इसका color पहले change करना पड़ेगा, white. Then I'm going to apply this eraser on the screen like this. Okay, so simple. It is the function of eraser. Just like your real eraser, जैसे आप उसको यूज़ करते हैं अपने कॉपीज पे कुछ इरेज करने के लिए, इसी तरह से हम पेंट में भी कुछ ड्रॉ करके उसको इरेज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ इरेजर टूल. द नेक्स्ट वन इज fill with color tool. That is actually a bucket, a small bucket, you can see on your book as well and on computer screen as well. This tool is actually used to fill the color in a closed shape. For example, just draw any closed shape on the computer screen and select a color. Click this bucket or fill with color tool and click inside the shape. So this is the function of the fill with color tool. Select different color and fill inside the picture. That's it. Okay students, now in your book there is an activity, page number 59, practice time. You guys have to make this drawing using MS Paint. Steps are given. Just follow these steps and do this activity for your practice. That's it. Thank you so much.